This is a big one though. Pete, don't cast yet, bro. Hey, Pete, don't cast yet. Wow.
That is a tank.
This one's gonna be a super tank. What the buck is up? Hope we're having a bucking outrageous day. So today, we're back on the Trent River. So I'm just making my way to one of my main spots. Hopefully, I can find my 10 pounder of the year, which I haven't got yet. Biggest was 9.5. Now, we're still using the same thing, the high-low rig, the shrimp, because it's been the ticket. The other day, I was trying to use sucker fish also. Had a few bites on that, but they weren't really big fish. But anyways, gotta go look for these fish. Don't want to waste your time. Let's get in there. Man, that water's clean right now. Yeah? Alright, gotta put the shrimp on real quick first though. Get all my stuff ready. Kinda itchy. Work hard today. Now it's time to catch a fish. Alright, we're about to slay.
Let's do it, bro.
We're about to slay. Oh! Slayham? Hello, how you doing, brother? Good. So everybody's just starting to get here. I'm just getting done work. Look at these guys all set up already. This guy's just comfortable as hell. Master Slayer there. You got Slayham in the background. Everybody has a Slay to their name.
Hello.
Alright, let's get the fishing started. That's a big ass one.
Hell yeah! Woohoo!
Damn.
That's a nice one.
Damn.
Nice, buddy.
Holy
That's
smokes, look how
chunky.
big that is.
That's a chunker.
That? Oh, yeah. Seven?
And then Joe's hooked up. This
Yeah.
is
Let
awesome.
me get this out of the net for you so I can get Joe now. You know what's gonna be?
Is that Joe's net?
Yeah.
Whoa.
It's okay. Nice.
Yeah, I bought it off.
Nice job.
There you go.
Good job, brother. Thank you, Wiesner. Heck yeah. Hey, cheers.
Oh,
Yeah, I like how golden that one is, man. See how-
Cheers, brother.
that is solid.
That's a nice golden.
Did
It's
you hear
like all
grunting?
yeah, mine is grunting.
Yeah, you hear
Yeah.
grunting?
Bees, how come yours is not going on?
I know, B.
Oh, it will.
Oh, well, man, don't worry about it.
Olive
Look at
color.
this.
Yeah.
Through his
Listen
eyeball.
to him.
Look at
That's awesome.
Wah, wah.
that. You want to weigh him or no? That's
Yeah,
a
weigh 'em.
beautiful fish, man.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Vikings. What do we got?
6 pounds.
Almost
6'8".
7. 6'8".
6'8". Okay.
Beautiful.
Beautiful fish.
Beautiful.
6'8". There you go. There you go.
Good set, B.
He had all day.
Oh, it was just a bounce. He's double dribbling.
He was double dribbling. I hope he doesn't run into Joe's line.
Keep off the bottom.
Take him. Bring him to the left.
I can't. It's up.
That's the way he's going. He's swimming in. He's got Joe's room. Oh, yeah.
Oh, that sucks.
Oh, I'm gonna go over you. There we go. Are we free now?
Yeah. He came right in.
Yeah.
No, we still got each other.
Yeah? Okay.
He came right in on Joe's.
Yeah. Yeah, I can feel your line.
G.I. Joe.
Oh, this thing's got a good fight going on with the line though, but still.
I don't feel the fish at all. Oh, yeah.
Be underneath me. Yeah.
No, you're on top.
Yeah.
Okay, hold on.
Still.
Boy, he did the fucking
I can't see it that well.
Bring it in. Bring it in.
Just bring it in.
Hold on, let me try one more time.
Or
like
catches
this.
my line.
There
Yep.
you go.
Yep.
There you go.
I got a fish.
Got it, Joe.
Thank you.
There we go. We're free now. Ooh! That was an obstacle. Yeah. Oh.
That's a nice one.
Here, kitty.
Wow.
And you know
Is
you're
that
not
Garfield?
losing it.
It's making me sweat.
Hey, D, is that Garfield?
Yeah, that's Garfield.
Yeah, it's Garfield.
Big blue?
I don't know. It's gonna be a channel cat. Maybe 5 pounds, 6 pounds, 5 pounds.
Nice.
Jesus.
That hook's gonna be in its belly.
Oh, yeah. See the hook right there? Oh, nice one. Looks like a small ball. Look Looks like about a
5-pounder?
yeah.
3.
Thank you. That's a hard fighter.
Oh, you got slimed on your muscle, baby, muscle, solid muscle.
Thank you.
Slimed on your spreader.
Thank you.
Yeah, I hate that. Yeah, the slimy spreader.
Yep. Slimy spreader.
All right. Yay!
Nice, Pete.
Kitty.
15 minutes.
All right, there you guys go. Mr. Kitty. Ah, that hurt my finger a bit when it flopped, but
How big was that?
this one right here, I'm gonna guess about 4 or 5 pounds, that's it. It's not gonna be that big, but she fought really hard.
But I said that about Aham's and it was
Oh, that was a tank. Ahans was the tank so far. That's tank of the day, but this right here,
That's about
nice fish, nice fish.
4 or 5.
But we're gonna let this thing go. 4 or 5, yeah, for sure, for sure. All right, here's my kitty, back in the water. You heard everybody, 4 or 5 pounds. There you go. Oh man. Oh yeah. I'm gonna have to go over you, Joe.
No.
You sure? Yeah, oh yeah.
So far we're not doing it. We're not touching.
No, but where is she? Oh, you got the, I got the head, you got the tail. Tail! Tail! Oh, thank you, Aham. Thank you, Joe.
Look, we made him go poop.
Oh, he is pooping. Thank you for taking it off from me, though. All right, let's take care of this gear. We'll release that fish. Meow! This is a big one, though. Pete, don't cast yet, bro. Hey, Pete, don't cast yet. Wow.
That is a tank.
This one's gonna be a super tank.
He's fighting.
That's on that sucker fish, probably.
I think so. It's on the sucker.
I got that last one on sucker.
I think this is on the sucker also.
Damn.
Well, how far it is.
I might have to go get my rod.
Go get your rod.
I don't have no bait.
I'm borrowing Brandon's. He's saving my life right now. I gotta pay him back. I owe him something. I'm gonna give him some nice jigs next time I see him.
Damn.
So,
Nice.
some custom-made buck jigs.
Custom made.
Yeah, wait till I bring them out in the fall.
Will is late.
Oh man, you guys are gonna like them. Good looking. Oh,
You on the surface yet?
is the other? Yeah, he's out of the snag. Holy smokes!
Give you some room. Give him some room.
No, he did not.
Did he actually get you in the Winston? There's a bunch of weeds over there.
The big one, I'll just fucking take off. There, you're good. There you go. Oh, you're always, when you catfish, you're always gonna reel up high because they fucking
You got Peter's advice here.
Bro, I'm like almost professional at catfish.
No, but it's gonna be a nice chunky one. Thank you, Brandon. What do you think? 4?
Yeah. Or
4
5.
4 or 5 pounds?
That's a nice one.
Yeah, that's a nice one, eh? Look, it's all golden. Thank you, Brandon. That's a nice net.
Yep.
Thank you, Wyatt.
Hit.
Thank you, Wyatt, for selling this net to Brandon here. Great help. Brandon?
It's free.
Oh, never mind. Wyatt, thank you for giving me this net. You are the fucking man. It was free, like you said. All right, I'm gonna deal with this catfish for a real quick second. It's nice, fat, chunky. Look at this fat belly right here. Mmm. Right to the stringer. All right, hold on a second.
From the other side of like,
Nice bite on the shrimp there.
you know
Heavy,
you're going to
heavy
jail.
fish right here.
No, ain't.
Roughly about 4 or 5 pounds. She is a tank.
how long almost had a
Check out that
10
fat belly right there. Nice and white. Let's say, man. What do you guys think about that fish? Nice and clean there. I like the green color, orange fins. You can see the ripples in his body. All that muscle right there. Good meat, good meat. I can see why people like to eat this. But with me,
But I was just because I was like, totally much.
gotta donate it. Pete, onto the stringer.
I think when I wake up in the morning, they're still alive. Yeah, bro.
And that's in the pail, right?
Yeah, in the pill. I can hear them going off.
Damn.
Hey, you be keeping them like that?
All right,
Yeah,
all
my
right.
parents do it in the morning.
They still be meowing.
Onto the stringer goes. You think he's there? You think he's there?
Yes.
I had to make sure.
He's like, you think so? Yeah.
I had to make sure.
Oh, yeah. Nice hook set, Pete.
Oh man. It's a pinner.
Who cares?
It's a pinner.
No, it might be swimming towards you.
No, it's a small one.
I'm gonna cut your line.
All right, here, cut my line here.
It's a red horse sucker.
What?
Yeah, sucker, cut it up for bait.
I bet you it's like a small sheephead or a smallmouth.
Yeah. No shitter in the net, eh?
Oh, it's huge.
A smallie.
Told you, smallmouth bass. Look how huge that is. Onto the stringer. Onto the stringer.
Mark came out of nowhere. Mark came out of nowhere.
Yo, this thing's chunky for a smallmouth bass.
Keep it, man. That's good eating.
What? This thing's like 4 inches.
Put it on your pizza.
No, hell no.
Take a picture.
There you go. Put on my pizza, eh, bro? Nice one, Joe. All right.
Sea pad.
Sea pad?
The way it hit, that's a kitty. The way it hit, yeah.
Big kitty or small kitty?
$1.
$1?
No, it wasn't joking.
Pete!
So now you owe me $2?
All right, $2.
Hold on. Hey, Pete, to the cooler? To the cooler?
Negative.
Oh, that's a double header pick.
It's a blue.
It is a blue.
It's a blue.
It's actually really
It's a
big
blue.
fish,
My
too.
boy Blue.
It's a blue.
This one's like 8 pounds.
It's a blue.
No, this is like 9 pounds.
Oh yeah, that's a big fish. Oh yeah, that's a big fish. That's a big one. Hiya!
No.
Woo!
You got him in the mouth.
7 pounds, I said. I said 7 pounds.
No, that's like 9.
No, that's like 7.
7.
Wait.
That's a nice fish.
That's a
It's
6,
a nice
7
fish
pounds.
either way. It's a blue.
See, I twisted it, eh?
All right, let's see the weight.
Oh, Joe. That is beautiful. The fight was beautiful. Healthy fish.
Oh,
I'm an
I missed
idiot.
that. With the cigarette in his mouth and everything.
Wait.
Yo, weigh this thing.
Wait.
7 pounds.
7'4"? Okay,
I'm saying 5'6". 5'6".
5'6". All right, Joe, you know.
That's what I said. 5'8".
5'8".
5'8".
All right. 7 pounds, 11 ounces.
The new car.
7-Eleven.
I said 7 pounders. I said 7.
Dude, he's all jacked.
Holy shit. This one's strong.
Mom's all jacked too.
Oh no. Turn that off.
Yeah, this is not coming, man. I don't know what this is,
Oh,
but this
man.
is strong, man.
Fighting real hard right now.
Yeah, this is a strong one.
Slay.
Yeah, this one's a strong one.
Killing it.
On such a small rod.
Man, these mosquitoes are killing me even harder right now. Like, you guys can see them flying in the air. Like, I don't know if you guys can see that, but
There's a school of them.
oh man, oh yeah, I'm getting torched.
Coming. Like, I can see it on top of the water right
Oh
there.
yeah, torched.
Dad, what size is this one?
I say 5-6 pounds.
I'm heartbroken.
Sorry, man. I got 28 pounds, man. I gotta try to just bring it in slow.
This man throwing with not looking.
Throw it
This
out,
man
look.
is not throwing without looking.
That's gonna be forever, bro.
Yeah.
What's that even from?
No, from last season.
That's a nice cat.
Well, that's a blue.
This is a good one.
It's a black one. It's not a black
I'm
one.
just watching it blue.
No, come on, man. It's so decent.
Slaying right now, man. Ate yesterday.
It's just a
Yeah, I'm
background.
done with it.
Joy, Andy. Chop, turana.
Chop, show you what?
Just right, him.
Bad ball.
Andy, chop, turana.
What's that mean?
Oh, this guy knows how to catch a line.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
a blue,
that's
eh?
right, yeah.
That's a
Check.
blue.
Check,
Is that a blue?
turana.
What the hell is this? A channel or a blue? What's
Yeah, everybody's catching blues
Monsters.
today. Well, that's a channel.
channel?
That's a regular channel.
Is
It looks
it
like a
Chanel?
blue.
No, it's not.
It's a Chanel.
Blue is like a
Chanel.
deep. It's
Oh,
like really
oh.
deep. I need to buy.
Oh, man, then.
Oh, I'm at there.
Yeah.
China.
Oh, chua.
Chua. Bro. Honey.
Chop man. Okay.
Oh.
សាហាវមែននេះ
Hey.
មានសាច់ដុំធំណានេះមាត់វា
Honey, check come China.
អូអានេះវាហេវហ្នឹងមើលវាចង់បើកមាត់វាទេ
What your check come cực bữa.
អូអានេះបើកមាត់មើលបានហើយ
Oh, joy.
Joy.
Oh.
That's like Khmer people
Guys,
Oh.
I'm here in Cambodia.
សាហាវមែននេះ
Lady Law, joy ơi. No.
That's a fatty one.
Chui mà.
Chua, chua.
Thôm á.
Translation?
Oh,
Oh, it's a beautiful fish. It's such a big one.
Mưa bên cô đó nè.
Oh,
Cô
yeah,
đó.
your head does
Cô
have
thôm á.
Con
Cô thôm á.
Thoma.
Chưa. Chưa đã.
Okay.
Đã.
Cho thúng.
Đã không thôm à.
Okay. Trái á.
Đã chưa quá. Đã chưa quá.
Đã chưa.
Chưa quá.
Trời.
Thơm bọ mam á.
Oh.
Chinh quá lỗ.
What the fuck?
Oh
Damn.
no.
This thing was a beast. Look at this thing. Holy. Woo.
Yeah, neat.
This thing's at least a 6-pounder. This thing
Oh yeah.
is a beast.
6 pound á. Đã không có ló 6 pound á.
Oh yeah. Một lon muối á.
Có ló muối á.
Lon muối.
Chắc đôi.
Lon muối.
Cái đó đôi. Vậy 4 kg ấy. 4 kg ấy.
Hey, double hot ấy.
Thơm hộp.
Okay.
Sa bọ môn á.
Bỏ mình.
Bọ men cái thơm hộp.
Bỏ mắm.
Bọ mam á.
Okay, bỏ mắm. Okay.
That's a forward. Everybody says
Alright everyone, gonna end my day there. It was a few kitties, lots of action. Everybody actually got a chance to get something. We were using the shrimp. Like I said, get it to the bottom, let it sit there, enjoy yourself, have some fun. You know they're gonna bite. Anyways, might be my last kitty. Might be my last kitty video for a little bit. Try to find some other fish for you guys. See you guys in the walleye season.